going on, guys? It is House EK here today, and today we're finally gonna be able to put these to paint. Right here we have my front lip. It was just rattle can, and we got the side skirts on. Those are my splitters. We also have my rear lip right here. Put the mine on the junk, but we got my rear lip here. That's gonna go onto my diffuser. Guys, so as you can see, we have my CS side skirts, and we have my rear lip, and we also have the front lip, which is gonna go all onto this car. So we got the kit laying in here. We're ready to go drop this thing off. What's up, guys? Today's the day. We picked up the side skirts. They're already prepped and painted. We just gotta go home and slap these bad boys on. Check out that gloss though. Crazy. Let's go. Sorry y'all, but it's getting late, so I'm gonna show you guys a little transformation till tomorrow. Guys, so we finally have the kit back on now. We got the side skirts on, put it on the front lip. That's how it looks good. And we also have my rear lip back on, and I didn't show you guys, but I do have a spoon carbon diffuser on this bad boy. So this whole thing changed my whole car the way it looks. And just looking from this angle for you guys, that's a money shot right there. But we are finally done with the kit. Soon later, we're gonna be getting a third brake light for another video, and a side splitter and a front splitter, even though we're right to the ground. But this is it for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy the videos, and I hope you guys stay tuned for the next video so we could do this third brake light for you guys and make this car look even more better.